how to send voice messages on Discord PC. So if you want to send voice messages on Discord PC, then first you need to open up your Discord application, or you can also go with the browser. And once you go with your browser, now you just need to simply make sure to log into your account and go with a chat. Now, once you're under your chat, you just need to simply go with the bottom left, which has that plus icon. Once you go with plus, you don't have a voice message option, right? But there is a trick. What you can do is just simply go with the recorder on your laptop and record your voice at first. Once you've recorded, it will be saved to your PC, right? Once it's saved to your PC, you will have the audio device. You will have the audio. So just simply tap on upload a file and select the audio. Go with open, and here you will have the audio MP3. So you can simply go with send or hit the enter, and that's it. The audio has been sent. Now you can play the audio, and that's it. That's how you can send voice messages on Discord PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.